everything.
Hello everyone. I was inspired to build the Black Widow's batons as seen in the movie promotional images. While searching for reference photos, I found this book on Amazon, which had this as a preview image page. This particular image came in very handy when assembling the 26 individual pieces and paint details. All pieces were printed on an Ender 3 Pro according to the below print details. Click those subscribe and notification buttons and you will be notified about future builds. Once the pieces were finished printing, I attached them together using CA glue and Zip Kicker. Zip Kicker is great because just a drop will cause your CA glue to cure almost instantly. Then all surfaces were smoothed with a 120 grit sandpaper and then followed by a 180 grit. I use this 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer because it helps to fill in any of the print striations that sanding may miss. I usually give the object about 3 even coats and sand in between each coat. The entire surface is then coated in a dark gray acrylic paint. Gold acrylic was then applied to the 8 ridges on each of the 8 round units. Silver acrylic is dry brushed onto each joint above and below these round units. Everything that stays dark is taped off and silver spray paint is then applied. I couldn't believe how easy it was to build such a cool prop. If you feel inspired to build one, let me know below in the comments.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you haven't done so yet, hit those like and subscribe buttons to see more builds coming your way. And follow on Instagram and Twitter.